So, hello everyone. Let me know if I am audible and visible to all of you. Okay. So, I have put light now. So, please let me know if I am audible and visible to all of you because our today's session is going to be very important, right? So, this is one short video where I will explain you where we will go through the formulas, we will go through the concepts. So basically this will be a revision. So like this, all formulas. So we will discuss the important problems, we will discuss important concept from every topic we will try to cover. Okay, ratio questions, average questions, divisibility rule, profit and loss, a simple and compound interest, statistics, right? Time and work. Okay, and then we have data interpretation, time, speed and distance, right? So then we have mensuration. So a lot of things we are going to cover today. So today's session is going to be one of the amazing session for all of you. So once again, very good afternoon, all of you, and welcome to the session. Please let me know if you are able to see me and if you are able to hear me. Okay, so both audible and visible, everyone, come on. Very good afternoon, Akash. Akash, Devajyoti, Arnav, Dhruv, Preeti. Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon, all of you. Audible and visible for everyone. Please let me know. So, friends, before I start with the session, just wanted to tell you, friends, my name is Engineer Pratik Srivastava. I have 12 plus years of IT industry experience, 10 plus years of teaching experience. Have worked in Motorola, Nokia, Tata. Have worked in central government. Have worked in an academy as a top educator. I was Joe's talk speaker, featured in G News and Times Square's Newark, awarded as best aptitude trainer. Please do like the session before we start. Okay, come on. Now, so friends, many of you have already got the admit card. So I will just give you the admit card instructions. So exams are on 26, 29, 30 of April. Most of you have got the admit card, others will also get, don't worry. And everything we are updating on our channel, right? So if you'll go and see the community page, everything we are updating. Printed copy of admit card photo. So what basically you have to get printed copy of your admit card photo and also paste the photo in admit card. Calculator, mobile electronic devices are not allowed. Admit card is must with photo. Original photo identity you have to get. Bring your own pen. Okay, and few things about TCS NQT exam. No negative marking in the test. No question wise timer. No predefined cutoff. No section switching. And rough paper provided at exam center. Okay, fine. So this I have given you the details, and now we will start with the TCS one shot quick revision video. Okay, so friends, basically from simplification, so TCS ask question mainly from rationalization. Okay, but algebraic formulas will be also used a lot. So please remember this formula. So a plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can also write in this form a minus b square. We can also write in this form a square minus b square. So in TCS name was mistake, sir. So that's okay if name for you. Okay, then a plus b cube. Okay, a minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a plus b plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, right? So these are the formula, total 10 formula. Please have a revision in your mind. Okay, now next thing. So this is one of the question which you have to solve, and I'm going to start with timer. Okay, so I'm going to start with timer. So and along with that I will be giving you the concepts, so don't worry at all, as usual. So you will be learning the concepts. Okay, fine. So this is actual problem of TCS. As I said, TCS ask mainly questions from the rationalization or this kind of problem. So if a is equals to root 3 plus root 2, b is equals to root 3 minus root 2, c is equals to root 2 minus root 3, then find the value of c into a plus b divided by b into a plus c. So let me see how many of you are able to answer this. Come on guys. So everyone, please, now your exam is on 26th, most of you, right? So let's see how many of you are able to solve. Hello Aswini. So very good afternoon all of you once again. So if, okay, another 26 seconds. Option C, very good. Devishri, okay, come on. Please invite your friends as well. Very good afternoon, Tejasri. So I will also give you tips and tricks at the end of this session. And friends, I request all of you to please watch the complete video. The reason is, friends, we are going to cover, see, simplification basics, then percentage basics, then ratio and proportion basics, then average basics, questions based on that, divisibility rule, all concepts, profit and loss, all concepts, simple and compound interest, all concepts, and installment based problems also we are able to do. Statistics, very very important topic, that also we are going to do. Time and work, okay, data interpretation, time, speed and distance, and then mensuration. So the complete aptitude we are trying to cover it. Okay, now, so question number 1 says, so a is equals to root 3 plus root 2, fine. So we have to calculate c into a plus b. So what is a plus b? Sir, a plus b is root 3 plus root 2 and root 3 minus root 2. So it is nothing but, sir, 2 root 3. Sir, what about a plus c? So a plus c is root 3 plus root 2 and c is root 2 minus root 3. So root 3 cancel, sir, 2 root 2. Fine. Okay. Now they're asking c into a plus b. So c is root 2 minus root 3 into a plus b. Sir, a plus b is 2 root 3 divided by b. B is what? Sir, root 3 minus root 2 and then into, sir, a plus c. A plus c is 2 root 2. 2 and 2 cancelled. And friends, this what you can do, you can write minus, you can take minus common, then it will become minus root 3 minus root 2 divided by minus root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 by root 2. So this is cancelled. Your answer will be minus root 3 by root 2 and option B will become the correct answer, right? So these are the kind of questions you will be expecting in your TCS examination. See, I'm not going to do very difficult problem, advanced level, right? Because here it's a quick revision. So in quick revision, if I will take very advanced level of the problem, then we will not be able to finish it off, right? Now question number 2. So the expression is formed by positive square root of 90 plus square root of 80 is multiplied. The expression is formed by positive square root of this is multiplied by this, and value of the product is, okay, I'm sorry, so just a minute. So it is minus root 3 by minus root 2, option C. So option C is the correct answer, right? So option C is the correct answer. Sorry for the mistake. By mistake, I marked it option B. Okay. Now, question 2. So the expression, so I will start it once again. So the expression is formed by positive square root of 90 plus square root of 80 is multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1, and value of the product is raised to the power of 4. So you need to think, you need to understand, and then you have to solve it. Okay. Can you please like the video, guys? So we are going to have the complete revision in one single video. Each and every topic I will try to cover. So permutation and combination, probability, that also basic concepts I will explain. Okay. So do watch the video till the end and please comment down if you are enjoying the session. Sir, do you have any idea about TCS mail? See, I have given one link, so that also you can follow. The expression is formed by positive square root of this is multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1, and the value of the product is raised to the power of 4. So I have not received answer from, okay, so Chaitanya has answered option C, but that is wrong. So what they're telling, the expression is formed by positive, right? So positive square root, okay, positive square root of this is multiplied by a square root of 2 minus 1, right? Okay. Now I will assume this is nothing but p. So I will make p square. P square means, so square root will go away. So it will become like this, okay, into a square root of 2 minus 1 square, right? Okay. So square root of 90, how can you write? We know 10 is there in this, right? So we know 10 is there in this. So square root of 9, 3 into 3 into 10. So I could write, right? So 3 root 10, right? Okay. And here what I can write? So here I can write, okay, so 8 into 10. So I can write 2 root 2 2 root 2 and square root of 10, right? 2 root 2 square root of 10. So this is what we will be getting into, so a square plus b square minus 2 root 2, right? Okay, so from here if you'll see a square root of 10 you can take common, so this will become 3 plus 2 root 2, and this will become 3 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. Now square root of 10 into a plus b into a minus b, so a plus b into a minus b, it will become a square minus b square. So this will become 9 minus 8, 1. So p square is nothing but square root of 10. Okay, they are telling, so value of the product, so this was the value of the product if you raise to the power 4. So already we have p square, so one more time we will do a square, so a square root of 10 square, it will be nothing but 10, right? So option B will become the correct answer for this problem. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone, friends? Is it clear for everyone? So this formula was very important, right? And that's the reason I said in the beginning, so all these formulas are going to be, you have to keep in mind, so a square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. If anybody is having any doubt, please ask. If no doubt, then please do like the session, guys. Okay, now, so friends, next topic is percentage. So I am giving you the basic idea of the question. Now in percentage, one thing I have taught you, so don't take x and solve. Don't take x and solve. See, x in maths or x in real life, right? So these are for creating the problems. Okay, these are for creating the problems. So always in your whole life, try to ignore as much as possible. So x here and x here, both you need to ignore, otherwise it will create problem. Okay, fine. So if there are options in percentage, so if there are options in percentage, please assume 100 and solve. Now, so friends, 1 by 2, how you will be writing? So 1 by 2 you will be writing as 50%. 1 by 3, sir, 33.33 percentage, or you can write 33 1 by 3 percentage. Okay, sir, 1 by 4 25%, sir 1 by 5 25%. This you have to keep in mind, this you have to keep in mind. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. Now 1 by 6 16.67 problem percentage, 1 by 7 14.28 percentage, 1 by 8 12.5 percentage, 1 by 9 11 1 by 9 percentage, you can say, right? So 1 by 9 here, so 11.11 percentage, right? Okay, please keep this in mind. Now if they ask what is 12.5 percentage of, what is 12.5 percentage of 8088, so what you will say, sir, already, right? So already you said 12.5 percentage will be 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 8088. So sir, my answer will become 101011. Okay. Then sir, you said 66.66 percentage of 279966. Sir, about this you did not say. Friends, then I said you have to use your common sense. So 33.33 percentage is what? Sir, it is 1 by 3. Then 66.66 will be nothing but 2 times. So sir, it will be 2 by 3. It will be 2 by 3 into 279966. So 3 twos are 3 twos are 3 threes are 3 threes are, and 3 nines are 27. That's all done. So 9 triple 3 will become your answer. Is it clear for everyone? See, 33.33 percentage. Sir, 33.33 percentage is 1 by 3. So 66.66 percentage is nothing but, sir, 2 times. So it will be 2 by 3. Clear? So this is how you have to use your mind in the examination, right? See, here they have given 14.28 percentage is equals to 1 by 7. They might give you 28.56 percentage. Then what you will do, sir? uh, so 29, right? 29. So no, 1 minute. So 2 8 just 16. Okay, so 28.56 percentage. In that case, what you will do, sir? It is 2 by 7. Sir, it is 2 by 7. That's all clear. Sir, it is 2 by 7, right? So that is clear. Okay, so into 2 you have to multiply. So here I have not multiplied by 2. So 2 2 4 ja 2 2 4 6 6 1 8 6 6 4 4, right? So you have to multiply by 2, right? So I am just telling you how exactly you have to proceed. Clear for everyone? Everyone, it is clear. This slide is completely clear. So I'll move towards the next slide. This particular slide is clear for everyone. If it is yes, then please do like the video, so that, because we will be waiting for at least, we will be meeting for at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So this class is going to be for 1 to 2 hours, where each and every concepts I am going to cover. Now, so there is a question for you. Can you please try it out? So now your timer starts now. So Amina spends 72% of her income. If her income increases by 29.2 percentage and her expenditure increases by 25%, her saving will increase by what percentage? Okay, okay. So nobody is able to solve. See, similar way, you will be getting the question in TCS exam. So you have to admit card you will get. Today only I have put a text in the community page, our community page, that you will be getting the admit card. Your exam might be on uh, 29th or 30. Now Amina spends 72% of her income. Options are in percentage. Sir, you said when the options are in percentage, that time you assume 100. Sir, I will do that only. Okay. Now, so suppose the income, right? So suppose the income is nothing but 100 rupees. What about Amina spend? So Amina is spending how much? 72% of her income. That means 72 rupees, right? Okay. Then what will be the saving? Sir, if your income is 100 and expenditure is 72, then the saving will become 28 rupees, right? So income minus expenditure, 100 rupees earning, 72 rupees is spending. So sir, 28 rupees will be saving. Now if her income increases by 29.2%, so 100 is your base, that means 29.2% is nothing but it will become 129.2 rupees. So if her income increases by 29.2% and her expenditure increases by 25%, 25% is what? 25% is 25 by 100. Sir, it is 1 by 4. So what is 1 by 4th part of 72? 72 1 by 4th part is, sir, 18. That means income is going to increase by 18 rupees. It will become 90. Sir, what will be the saving? Just subtract it, sir. So it is 2 9 39.2. Now sir, what is the percentage? So I will go with the option. So 28 into 4. So basically what is the increment? Sir, 11.2. Now I will just take the option. So if I'm taking multiplying by 4, then 4 8 ja 32 and 8 plus 3 12, right? 11. That means sir, 40% will be the answer. Those who are not able to understand. So now savings has been increased by how many rupees? 11.2. From where it is increased? Sir, it is from 28. Calculate percentage means multiply by 100. Sir, this will go by, sir, this will go by zero point 0.4 times. Okay. So 0.4 times means this will become 40%. So sir, 40% will become the correct answer. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Please. So what is a copy of signed COVID declaration? So friends, this COVID, no, what you can do is, right? So you can take a printout, right? And with that printout, you can go, right? Okay. See, Manas Dalvi is asking, sir, what about election? Okay. So he is such a stupid person, right? Okay. Anyway, so we don't deal with this kind of people, right? Okay, fine. So is it clear for everyone? Guys, so this is a class and please don't talk about anything else, right? Leave me alone. Oh, this is a stupid, there are many stupid people will be there, right? So we just need to ignore them. Okay, come on. Now, next question. So in a company, right? So in a company, 58% of the employees are males and rest are females. 48% of the employees are graduates, of which 33, 1 by 3 percentage are males. Among female, the percentage of those who are not graduate is, right? So, sir, TCS NQT coding questions will be from array and strings only, or it can be from DP graph trees. See, mostly the questions will be from array and strings, right? But graph and trees also you can expect the question, because you are going to write TCS prime. See, this Accenture, right? So Accenture asks questions from uh, dynamic programming, so definitely TCS can ask uh, questions from that, right? Okay, fine. So can you please like the session if you are enjoying it? Okay, so in a company, 58% of the employees are males and rest are females. So I will assume total number of employees, right? So I will assume total number of employees, right, are 100. Okay, fine. Now out of that, 58% are male. That means 58 male. Okay, and here you can see 48 of the employees. Okay, so remaining 42 will be female, right? So in a company, 58% of the employees are males and rest are female, so 42 will be female. 48% of the employees are graduate. 48% of the employees are graduate. That means 48 employees are graduate, right? Total 48 employees are graduate. Now, so out of which 33 1 by 3 percentage. So this you don't have to get scared. 33 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3, right? So 1 by 3 of the employees are, right, males. That means 16 employees are males. So what about female? 48 minus 16, that means total 32 is female, right? So 32 female employees are graduate. Total 32 female employees are graduate, right? Okay, now among female, the percentage of those who are not graduate. So how many are not graduate? Sir, 10 females are not graduate, because out of 42, 32 is graduate and 10 is not graduate. So 10 is not graduate, total is 42, and just multiply by 100. That's all. So this will be nothing but 221 and 2. This will be 500. So 521. So 21 twos will be 480, right? So 20. So it will be around, right? So it will be around 23.8%. So option D will become the correct answer for this problem. Now please let me know if it is clear for you, right? Okay, so now, okay, is it clear for everyone? So this was a simple question, but definitely you have to go step by step and you will be easily able to do it, right? Okay, fine. Is there any screen calculator? Yes. So you will be getting a screen calculator. A screen calculator will be there, my dear friends. So there will be a screen calculator in the examination. Clear? Okay. Now ratio and proportion. So now we will be moving towards the next topic, ratio and proportion. But before that, can you please like the session, guys, so that I get more and more energy for you. Okay, I get more and more energy. Keshav is telling repeat, sir. Okay, so if it is not clear, please see once more here. For many people, they are telling, see, total number of employee, I assumed 100, because I said whenever your options are there in terms of percentage, then you do not have to worry at all, right? Okay, then they said 58% of the employees are male. So out of 100, 58 is male and 48 is female. Sorry, then remaining will be what? So 100 minus 58. So 100 minus 58 is 42. So sir, 42 will be female. Clear? Okay. Till here clear step by step. Now 48% of the employee. So 48%. So let me just give a minute. So I'll remove one person from here. Is disturbing. Okay, so hide user from this channel. Okay, now, so 42 are female, right? Okay, now 48% of the employees are graduate. Total is 100. Sir, 48% are graduate. Then 100 into 48 by 100. That means total 48 is graduate. Clear? Okay. And then they said 33%, 33 1 by 3 percentage are male. So 48 total graduate, and then 33 1 by 3 percentage is what? I said, sir, 1 by 3. In the percentage here, I have discussed 1 by 3 is 33 1 by 3 percentage. So 1 by 3 is nothing but 16. 16 is male, then rest will be female. So 48 minus 16, that is 32, is female, right? Okay, so out of 42 female, 32 female are graduate, and the remaining is 10, so 10 female will be non-graduate. They said, my dear friends, total 48 is graduate. Out of that, 33 1 by 3 percentage, that means 16 male are graduate and 32 female are graduate. Total number of female was 42, 32 graduate, 10 is not graduate. Now they are asking among female. So what is the total number of female? Sir, 42. The percentage of those who are not graduated is only 10. Okay, into 100. Now if you'll solve, you will be getting 23.8 percentage. Now is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone, guys? Please comment if it is clear for everyone. Done? Okay. And also please do like the video. Now, next is the concept of ratio. Next is the concept of ratio. So ratio and proportion basically, right? So ratio and proportion, ratio and proportion. Okay. Now, so in ratio and proportion, so there is no individual timer for every question. I have discussed all those things in the first slide. Please do watch. So everything has been discussed here. Only one thing. So on screen calculator will be there. So please watch this. Please do not disturb the class. So on screen calculator will be there. So I have covered all the points here. Okay. So I have covered all the points here. Now, so friends, in ratio and proportion, if they are telling A and B income is 4 is to 5, then you can say A income. So if any data is given in terms of ratio, you can write down in terms of value. So A income is 4x rupees, and B income will be, 5x rupees, right? So you can write it like this. This is the first concept which I have put down here. Okay, now, so सर 32 कैसे आया? अरे यार 32 कैसे आएगा? निकाला तो यहाँ पे रिमेनिंग दिखाया तो है। 16 मेल हो गए, 48 में से 16 ग्रेजुएट जो है मेल है, तो फीमेल कितना होगा? जो बचा वो कौन होगा? फीमेल ही तो होगा ना। मेल है, फीमेल है। अब यहाँ पे ट्रांसजेंडर थोड़े ना है, ना तो ट्रांसजेंडर है ना बच्चे हैं, राइट? दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली मेल एंड फीमेल। सो अगर 48 में से 16 मेल हो गए हैं तो ऑब्वियसली 32 फीमेल हो जाएंगे। ओके, सो फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर, राइट? सो दिस इज फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर। महक समझ में आ गया? ओके, नाउ, so now in order to express a proportion for two ratio, so if they have given A is to B, right? So A is to B, okay, 3 is to 4, okay, and B is to C if they have given, suppose you take, or C is to D if it is given 5 is to 6, right? So A is to B and then C is to D. So basically what you have to do, you have to multiply this corner one. Anyway, that concept I will cover in the problem. So multiply this two corner one and multiply this two middle one and equate. So AD will be equal to BC. That's all done. So this is the second concept, right? So whenever it is given in this particular format, my dear friends, okay, whenever they have given in this particular formats, then what you do, multiply this corner one, multiply the middle one, and then both you can equate it, right? Clear? Okay, fine. Now, so then they will be asking you what is mean proportional. So friends, if suppose if we have 7, and if we have 7, now they're asking mean proportional. So mean proportional will be 7 into 7, right? So if you have to calculate the mean proportional, then it will be 7 into 7. So if you have AB, and if you have to calculate mean proportional, it will be a square root of AB. Okay, clear? Now, so the question number 1. So question number 1 for is you. What is the mean proportional between the mean proportional of 2 by 7 and 32 by 343 and 2 and 1 by 5000. Okay, come on. So all topics I will cover it here. Don't have to worry at all, right? So just be with me till the end of the class. Calculator will be on a screen. Ma, so MAA, Ma Pranam. Calculator will be on a screen, calculator you will be getting, right? So it will come on your screen in the corner side. Pranam Ma, आशीर्वाद दीजिए. Okay. Yes, we will have doubt session. Don't worry. We will be having doubt session at the end of the video. First you be with the class. माँ को प्रणाम कीजिए बढ़ते रहिए आगे. Okay. Answer. I am looking for answer. Okay. So doubt session at the end of this class. So please ask all your doubt at the end. What is the mean proportional between, so what is the mean proportional between the mean proportional of this and this, right? Okay. Now, so if we have A and B, and if we have to calculate mean proportional, sir, just now you taught a square root of AB. Now again and again you are teaching the same thing so that it gets stored in your mind. Okay, clear, very good. So we have to calculate mean proportional between mean proportional of this and this. So first let us calculate mean proportional of this one. Sir, square root and multiply this both, right? So simple. Okay, what about this mean proportional? Sir, it is a square root 2 into 1 by 5000. Okay sir, this also I understood. But sir, they are asking mean proportional of this. Then put one square root and multiply both. That's all. From that time I am telling you the same thing, sir. You are not able to understand. Okay. Now, sir, it is clear. Fine. So here you can see 225 times, right? Okay. Then a square root of 2 into 32. Sir, 2 into 32 is 64. 64, sir, we know we can write 8 into 8. Okay, very good. Okay, now then, sir, what is 343? Sir, you have asked us to remember cubes and all. I know it is 7 cube. So this is 7 into 7 cube. And what about this, sir? Sir, it is 1 divided by 2500. Okay, well, now, sir, there are two 8. Can I take one 8 outside? Very good. Sir, there are two 4 sevens. Can I take 2 7 out? Ah, very good. You can take. Okay, then 1 divided by. Sir, 2500. Can I write 50? Yes, why not? Now, then 2 4 ja and 225 times. Okay, very good. Now, sir, so sir, 4 is there. So 4 square root will be 2. Sir, 2 7 is there. So write 1 7 so that it will be out from the square root. Sir, 25 square root is 5. Sir, 2 by 35. Sir, it is very simple if I know the concept. And this all are TCS asked problem. They are not simple problems, right? You just need to understand what is mean proportional, and then that's all. Ratio, this kind of questions will be asked. Friends, in exam you will definitely realize this TCS one shot quick revision video was very important. I am telling you, please take it very seriously, because you will definitely realize that no sir, it was really very good, and at the last moment it helped me a lot. Okay, clear? If it is clear, please comment below it is clear, and do like the session, guys. Please like the session so that I will be keep putting more and more effort for you guys, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is a easy problem, but let me see how many of you are able to solve, and are you commenting that it is clear for you or not? Okay, session को भी like कर दो यार. Like the session. Very good. Okay, very good. Once please explain previous question. Sir, you are going to cover coding revision. Coding revision also we can cover. So let me talk to the coding teacher. Hey, calculator, don't take it, man. Calculator will be there in the system. You don't have to put in your pocket. Pocket में रख के नहीं ले जाना है. right? So you don't have to keep in your pocket. पॉकेट में रख के नहीं ले जाना है. They will give you. सर कट ऑफ कितना जा सकता है? युवराज सिंह, एक बात बताओ, तुम जब क्रिकेट खेलते हो बेस्ट स्कोर क्या होता है? 200, 300, जितना मारोगे उससे ज्यादा ऑस्ट्रेलिया मार देता है. So we can't talk about, right? So what will be the score and all? So please don't talk about that. TCS maybe we have the same thing. Okay, now, so the ratio of speed of bus and car is, so a speed of bus and a speed of car is 2 is to 5. Okay, sir. Now the car covers a distance of 280 kilometer. So sir, car is covering 280 kilometer. Very good. In some time, and the bus covers a distance of d kilometer less. So sir, bus is covering only, less distance in the same time. So sir, time is fixed, sir, time is fixed. Okay, now, so we know distance is equals to, right? So distance is equals to a speed into time. Sir, time is fixed. If time is fixed, then the distance will be directly proportional to speed. More speed, more distance we will cover. Less speed, less distance we will cover, sir. That is clear for us, sir. Okay, so distance of bus and distance covered by the car will be also in the ratio of 2 is to 5. Now in the question they have said the car is covering a distance of 280 kilometer. 280 kilometer means 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 56 times. That means this bus will be also covering 56 times, that is 112 kilometer. Because sir, we know time is fixed, and when the time is fixed, then direct distance will directly proportional to a speed. That means more speed will cover more distance, sir. If less speed, then we will cover less distance, sir. That's all, sir. Done. 112 kilometer is the correct answer. Please do like the session, guys, so that we can have multiple sessions like this, and you will definitely enjoy it. Okay, let's have some fun. Okay, अरे भाई तुम्हारा ही तो कमी था. Come on. So now average. So average says interesting topic average. Okay, interesting topic. How answer will be one? What is the distance covered by the bus, right? So distance covered by the bus will be, right? So distance covered by the bus. So the bus covers a distance of d kilometer less in the same time, right? So basically, this is the distance traveled by the bus, not 168 kilometer, right? Okay. So then the bus covers a distance of d kilometer less in the same time. Okay, we will see. You solve next question. Uh, okay. 168. How are you getting 168? So how are you getting 168? It is 5, 5s are 25, 5, 6 are. It is correct, no? So 2 is to 5, 2 is to 5. No, see, this is the distance covered by bus, man. So why you are subtracting this from this? See, the bus covers a distance of d kilometer less in same time. How much distance it is covering? So this is, see, 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, and 8 minus 1 is 6. Here 7 minus 1. This is the less distance. So basically, this car is covering 280, and the bus is covering, 112, and the bus is covering 112, right? The car covers a distance of 2 in some time, and the bus covers a distance d kilometer. Arey yaar, so this is the distance he is covering less. So what is the distance covered by the bus? So the distance covered by the bus is this, man. See, if they are asking the value of d, they did not ask the value of d. If they ask value of d, then your answer will be 168 kilometer, right? They are asking the distance traveled by bus, that is 112 kilometer. My dear friend, see, they are asking the distance traveled by bus, traveled by bus, distance traveled by bus, that is, my dear friends, 112 kilometer, And if they ask the value of D, then the answer will be 168 kilometer, because the person has traveled 160, the bus has traveled 160 kilometer lesser than the car. Okay, see, that's the reason this is very very clear. You have to see this parameter, okay, and then you have to read the question what has been asked. Clear for everyone now? Right? Clear for everyone now? Okay, now, so average is a very interesting topic, my dear friends. Okay, so average will be equal to sum by number. This is a very general formula. So if somebody is asking, what is the average of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? So, sir, average will be add everything and divide by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, right? So add it and then divide by 7, then it will be nothing but 5. Okay, fine. Now, average of continuous number. So average of continuous number will be first number plus last number by 2. So these are the continuous number for us. So average will be first number plus last number divided by 2. Sir, you should have done like this. Why you did? When the number is continuous, then first number plus last number divided by 2 will be our average. Clear? Okay, now, so average of numbers with average of number with common difference will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. Sir, I have a number where the gap is same. So 9, here also 7 to 9, 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. So sir, right? So sir, we have a, right, number where the gap is same, then what will be average, sir? Sir, average will be first number plus last number divided by 2, so it will be 24 by 2, that is nothing but 12. Then fourth concept, sir, average will be always between minimum and maximum value. So here if they're asking, so 7 and 17, what will be average? So it will be always lies in between that. So if in the question they are telling, tell me the average of 31, 36, 39, okay, 46 and 58. Now option A is 30, option B is 28, option C is suppose 59, and option D is suppose the correct answer, okay. Now, so sir, this cannot be the average, because as you said, average will be always between minimum to maximum number. Sir, this is also lesser than this and this is more than this, so average always has to be in between numbers. Clear for everyone now? Okay, now question number 1. So now question number 1, and let's see how many of you are able to solve. So where is the, okay, timer? So let's start the timer. So the number of 9 consecutive even number is 40. Then what is the value of smallest of this number? Okay, so basically, I'm sorry, here instead of a smallest, you put it biggest. Okay, so you put it biggest. Okay, so instead of a smallest, you put it biggest. Coding is not mandatory for ninja roll. Okay, coding is not mandatory for ninja roll. Okay, fine. So the number of 9 consecutive even number is 40. What is the value of biggest of this number? So just sorry. The average. Okay. So now I am going to give you the question again. Okay, so there was a small mistake in the question. So basically the average of 9 consecutive even number is 40. Then what is the value of biggest of these numbers? Okay, now it is clear. So the average of 9 consecutive even number is 40. So what is the value of biggest of these numbers? Come on. Okay. 48, 48. Okay, 48. Okay, fine. So now your time is almost done. Hmm. 32 is the least and 48 is the highest. Okay. Now, so friends, see how many of the students will do. So, sir, first number is x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8, right? X plus 10, like that they will do, right? Okay. Now, what I am telling you, you have 9 consecutive number, okay? Consecutive even number. So, if I ask you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, right? So, and here, sorry, 12 and 14. So, what will be the average? Sir, you said when the difference is same, sir, you said when the difference is same, right? When the difference is same, then the average will be first number plus last number divided by 2, right? First number plus last number divided by 2, that means it is 8. 8 is what? Sir, middle number. 8 is what? Sir, middle number. Okay, 8 is what? Middle number. That means when you have, right, so when you have number of numbers is odd, total how many numbers? Sir, 7 number. That means your average will be the middle number. Now I have 9 consecutive number and their average is 40. That means, sir, this is the middle number. Next number will be what, sir? 42, 44, 46, 48. Here, sir, it will be 38, it will be 36, it will be 34, and it will be 32. Then, sir, this is my 9 consecutive number for which the average is 40. Now, if you're asking the biggest number, sir, biggest number is 48. Sir, now if you're asking smallest number, the smallest number will be 32. So, my answer will become here 48. Right? Clear? Very good, Yuvraj Singh. Chakka maar diye tum. Is it clear for everyone? For everyone, is it clear? If it is clear, then please like the video. Okay. So no lunch break and all. By 1:30 p.m. we will try to finish. So by 1:30 p.m. we will try to finish if you are possible. Okay. Fine. So lunch break. Okay. Now, is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Please comment and then we can move ahead with the next problem. Okay. Now, so this particular problem has been asked in TCS Digital. Okay. TCS Digital. It's simple problem. So it's not a tough problem. After average, we will be going to the next problem. Okay. Okay. Come on. So 44. 44 is not a option, Sneha. So what is the age of the new member? Okay. So it's for you. See, there will be some people definitely they will ask illogical questions. So it's for you us. See, it's very simple. Mathematics is, based on some logics, right? And also in exam they cannot ask whatever questions they want, right? Okay. Now they will give, now your questions might be, sir, what if they give 100 number to calculate the average, right? What if they give 100 number to calculate the average? That is not possible, man. Who can do this in exam? See, they knows that, okay, there should be only logical question can be given in the examination, right? They will not give, have you seen any time calculate average of 100 numbers, and that too if they are not continuous like this. So like this numbers are there and then they have given 100 numbers to calculate average. That is not possible. Either if they are giving, it will be based on arithmetic progression, right? Or it will be based on some logic. So when they're asking for 109 numbers, right, then definitely some logic will be given, option attack will be given, something will be there. Okay. So when the question, the data becomes big, then they will be giving you logics. Okay. So it's for you. See, don't think whatever we can. Okay. So it will be based on some logic only. Now the average age of 5 person in a group is 18 years. So sir, average will be equal to sum divided by number. So sir, average they have given 80, sum of sum we don't know, right? So the average of 5% and divide by 5. That means the total age is nothing but 90. You don't have to write all those things. You can directly write the total sum of ages will be 18 into 5, 90. Okay. See, if even comes, if comes, you leave it. Okay. If comes, you leave it. That's what I can say. Okay. See, if they ask you one not nine terms, then it will become in arithmetic progression. See, you will have to use arithmetic progression here, right? Your first term is your first term is 32, common difference is 34, right? So this will become, you know the series now, right? So if suppose this is there, so any series is there, right? So you will have to bring it in the arithmetic series and then you'll have to find out 109 terms, right? See, that much complications they will not do. Anyway, we can talk this later at the end of this session. Okay, fine. Now total sum is nothing but 90. The group has an additional member such that the new average is 25 years less than the age of new member. So now the average, okay, so the average is going to become, so new member, suppose the new member age is x, total will become what, 6. Now the average is, right, 25 years less than, the new average is 25 years less than the age of new member. So new member age, I assumed it is x. So earlier it was 90. Now the total age will become 90 plus x. Earlier 5 members were there. Now the total members is 6. Average is what? So average is 25 less than the new member. Cross multiplication, 6x minus 150 will be equal to, sir, sum of 5. Sigma 5 means sum of 5 is equals to 90 plus x. So 5x will be equal to 240. So x will be equal to 548. That means the age of the new person is nothing but 48. Option A will become the correct answer. Clear for everyone? Right? Now we will be moving towards the next topic, which is divisibility rule. But till now, if it is clear, please hit a like. So Akash, whatever you have done is correct. The only thing is I cannot do it like this because there are many people who are watching this. So this is basically one short quick revision is a average level of the problems we have taken, where we will be easily able to cover the topics. The intention is that it's a quick revision. Now, so divisibility rule. So guys, is it clear till here? Everyone is enjoying the session, right? Everyone is enjoying the session. Okay. So now, so how many people want, see this particular is not a this big because I explained you it took time. Okay. So average age of 5% is 18. That means total 90. One person is joining 90 plus x. It was 5 members, now it is 6 members. Okay. Average is becoming now 25 years less than this. That's all, solve it. 6x minus 150 is equals to 90 plus x. So this will be 5x is equals to 240, x is 48. 3 lines, done. This, see, I am writing this so that you understand it. Okay, clear? Otherwise you can take option, that also you can check. Okay, so you can take option, that also you can check now. So divisibility rule. Now, if a number is divisible by 3, a number is divisible by 3, that means the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. That means if you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this number is divisible by 3 or not. So get the sum. So sum is 15, right? So this 9 I'm not counting because 9 is anyway divisible. So 5, 4, 9, 6, 3, 9. So 78, sum is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So this complete number, you can say, sir, this complete number is divisible by 3. So if a number is divisible by 3, the complete number should be divisible by 3. Okay. So this is clear. Now, so a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. This number is divisible by 9? No, sir. Because 9 I am not going to add because 9 will be anyway divisible. So 7 plus 8, 15. No, sir. This number will not be divisible by 9. Okay. And a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and by 3. If a number is divisible by 4, then the last two digit of the number should be divisible by 4. If I say, sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sir, this number is divisible by 4 or not? Just see the last two digit. Yes, sir, it is divisible. Means done. If a number is divisible by 8, the last three digits should be divisible by 8. Now this particular number, so is it divisible by 8? Try to divide it by 8, right? So 1, 1, 2, 8 1 ja 8 and 8 4 ja 14 8 ja. Yes sir, this number is also divisible by 8. Clear? Okay. What if a number is divisible by 11? So let's take one number 5, 3, 6, 8. Okay. Now if it is divisible by 11 or not. So first find out the sum of alternate numbers. So 5 plus 6 and then find out the sum of alternate numbers 3 plus 8 and subtract and then divide. If it comes 0, okay, or if it comes a multiple of 11, then this number is divisible by 11, right? Clear? Clear? Fine? Done? Okay. Now, so this is a question. Again, this question is asked in the TCS exam. So let me see how many of you are able to solve this. Okay. So if the 9-digit number is divisible by 99, the value of a square root of x plus y plus z. Okay. So guys, वीडियो को लाइक कर दो यार. At least 500 likes I want till the end of the session today. Okay. So question is not visible. Question is visible, man. For others, question is visible. So if the 9-digit number, प्रिंस कुमार आ जाएगा यार, एडमिट कार्ड आ जाएगा, परेशान मत हो यार, आएगा एडमिट कार्ड. If the 9-digit number 8076 7x 6y 9z8 is divisible by 99. 99 is a factor of 9 and 11. Sir, 99 is a factor of 3 also. Why did not you write 3? You can write anything. It doesn't matter, right? See, the only thing is, if you know the divisibility rule of these numbers, then it will be easy for you. Now, can you tell me how this number will be divisible by 9? So 9 means this 9 gone, okay? And then 8 and 7, 15. 15 and 6 is 21. 29. 29 plus x plus y plus z. Now this should be divisible by 9. Then this number will be divisible by 9. Now x plus y plus z. What should we keep? So if this number is divisible by 9, so 9 factors are more than 29 is 9 into 4 36, 9 into 5 45. So these are the factors of 9. That means x, y, z. I can put what? 29 plus 7, right? So x, y, z, I can put it 7. Then this number will be divisible by 7. But if you will take a square root of this, right? Will you get the answer here? No, sir, right? So you will not be getting. Then the next is nothing but 45. So 29 plus x, y, z, x, y, z. If you keep it 16, right? 16, then it will be nothing but if you give it 16, then it will be 45 and then it will be divisible by 9. And square root of x, y, z is nothing but 4. Yes, sir. So a square root of x plus y plus z, we can take it as 16 so that this number will be divisible by this, right? Okay. And also I did not basically, we could have checked for 11, but we did not check because with the options, with the help of options, we were able to find it out, right? Clear? Okay. Now next. Why we are not adding 9, sir? See, if you add 9 also, it's of no use because 9 is anyway divisible by 9. So it's of no use. We are not adding. See, if you put 9, then 29 plus 9 will be what? 38. 38 x plus y plus z, right? So here, okay. Now, so if you'll add it also, it's of no use. And then you can go for 45 and then you can go for 54. So if you'll add, right, so if you'll add 7 here, you will be getting 45. If you'll add 16 here, then you will be getting it what? 54. So it's of no use, I have removed it. Okay. Okay. Now question number 2. So this is a TCS problem. So this is asked in TCS. So let's see how many of you are able to do it. Okay. Explain again. Array, don't cancel it. Okay, guys, if you're not able to understand, don't cancel it. Put it 38. Okay, don't cancel it. So if you're not able to understand, then please don't cancel it. What you do, you consider 9 here. Okay. Now 38 plus x plus y plus z. So more than 38, you will be having 9 into 5, 45. So x plus y plus z, if you take 7, then you will be getting 45, which will be divisible by 9. But a square root of 7, there is no such options. Then the next number which you will be taking is, so 38. So x plus y plus z, we can take 16. So this will give you 54. 54 is divisible by 9, and the square root of this will be nothing but 4. So you don't cancel it. See, we cancel it because it's of no use. We know 9 is divisible by 9. So what is the use of doing that? Right? Now clear for everyone? I explained it once again. Okay. Now question number 2. So question number 2, it's a TCS NQT problem. So if n is an integer such that 1 n 352 is a 6-digit number exactly divisible by 24, what will be the sum of all possible values of n? Okay. So Ram Bharat has already given the answer. Very good, Ram Bharat. So Ram Bharat, okay. Okay, done. Is it everything clear till here, friends? Are you able to understand everything till here? If you have any doubt, please let me know. Or if everything is clear for all of you. Okay, the time is up. Many people have given the answer. Let's see now. So, n is an integer such that 1 n 352 is a 6-digit number exactly divisible by 24. If a number is divisible by 24, right, it will be divisible by 3 and 8, because 3 and 8 divisibility rule we know. Now if a number is divisible by 8, the last 3-digit number should be divisible by 8. So 8 4 ja 32, again 8 4 ja 32. That means this particular number is divisible by 8. Okay, now the question comes, if the number is divisible by 3, then the sum of the numbers should be divisible by 3. So 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 10, 11, right? So 11 plus 2n should be divisible by 3, right? So 3 5 8 10, 11 plus 2n should be divisible by 3. Now, so what are the possible values of n here? Okay, so let us try to find out the first value of n. So first value of n will be 2, because 2 into 2 will be 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. So if sum of number is 15, okay, then the next n value will be 5, because it should be divisible by 3. So the next number, definitely a gap should be 3. So again 11 plus, in this case it will be 15, in this case it will be uh, 21, right? Okay, then n will be 8. So 11 plus 2 into 8, 27. In this case it will be 28. Okay, now sir, what about n is equals to 11? N is a single digit number, n, so we cannot take 2-digit number. So 2 plus 5 plus 8, it is nothing but 15. Is it clear for everyone? So this was again a TCS NQT problem, right? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Can I expect one like to the session? Yes, guys. So it's been 1 hour continuously. We are watching it. Okay. And now we will take a break of 2 minutes. So just 2 minutes break. We will just talk here, and then we will proceed. So how many of you have You have had dinner, sorry, lunch. So for how many lunch is completed? Please like the session, guys. Karthik is telling. सेशन को लाइक कर दो यार. Can you do another revision video tomorrow? Okay. Just completed lunch. What is the date for? Okay, guys. So after I finish the session, then only I will be having lunch. Important reasoning topic. I will make another video. After the session, we take lunch. Okay, guys. Good. Sir, what is your lunch, sir? So my lunch after the session, I will be also going for lunch. Okay. So now the time is up. So we have profit and loss now. Then we have simple and compound interest. We'll be doing installment based problems. Then we have statistics. Then we have time and work. Then we have time, speed and distance. And then we have mensuration. Okay. So a lot of things are still pending. Now, profit and loss. So profit and loss. Okay. So in profit and loss, we have cost price. So cost price at which you buy an item, selling price at which you sell a item. Profit is when your selling price will be more than your cost price. You bought in 10 rupees, sold it for 15. Balle balle, profit. Okay, loss. You bought for 10, selling for 8, loss. Okay, market price. Now this market price, please try to understand. I know many of you already know this market price. No, see, when you go to mall, right? So when you will go to mall, suppose if you go to Lulu Mall, right? If you go to Lulu Mall, then suppose you selected one t-shirt for your girlfriend. Okay, suppose you selected one t-shirt for your girlfriend. Now the first thing what you will see, your girlfriend t-shirt? No, the first thing you see is the tag price. Same thing your girlfriend will do for you. So the first thing you will see, neither your girlfriend nor your t-shirt, you will see the tag. So what is the tag price? So tag price you will see 2000 rupees. You will say no, now I am a student, I cannot buy it. Okay, so this is nothing but your marked price. So this is nothing but your marked price is nothing but your tag price. Okay, then after that the shopkeeper came and said, "Are sir, for couples we are giving 50% discount. Show me your girlfriend photo, I will give you for 1000 rupees." That's all. So this 1000 rupees is nothing but your selling price which you are getting after some discount on the tag price. Okay, so marked price is very very clear, right? Okay. Okay. Now, so the profit, right? So the profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Okay. And loss will be what? Cost price minus selling price. This already I told you. And loss percentage, Falguni. So whatever is going now, please concentrate on that. I will arrange other classes as well. Don't worry. I don't have a girlfriend. नहीं है तो बना लो यार. Okay, selling price. So selling price formula will be, please try to remember selling price, right? So selling price will be equal to cost price into 100 plus percentage of profit divided by 100. Now, if in exam, if you forget this, then how you have to remember Supreme Court, right? So you know Supreme Court, you know Supreme Court, you know Supreme Court, right? So S is equals to C, Supreme Court, okay, into, if there is a profit, my dear friends, if there is a profit, my dear friends, add it to 100, add it to 100 and divide by 100. Okay, Supreme Court. So SC, Supreme Court, SC. Okay, now if there is a loss, subtract from 100 and then divide by 100. Like this we have to keep the formula in our mind. अरे यार मेरी भी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है यार. So even I have, पर मैं तो यहाँ पढ़ने आया था, इधर भी दुख दर्द पीड़ा. अरे वो सब जगह है, पढ़ के करोगे क्या जब गर्लफ्रेंड ही नहीं रहेगी तो. ओके, Now question number one, and now I am giving you time. So 1 minute time is there. Come on. हाँ इसलिए तो गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है क्योंकि शादीशुदा हूँ. So selling an item at 5 by 6 of its marked price result in a loss of 10%. What is the percentage of profit loss if a discount of 5% is offered on the market price? Okay. TCS problem. This is a TCS problem. Time up. Okay. So this is the take screenshot man Karthik. Okay. Now, selling an item at 5 by 6th of its price result in a loss of 10%. What is the percentage of profit or loss if a discount of 5% is offered on the mark price? Now, please try to understand here. So, selling at this mark price result in a loss. So, cost price I am assuming as 100 rupees. Sir, what is your problem? Why you assume whenever you want? So, I have told you in the beginning percentage slide that if your options are in percentage, you can assume any value, right? And don't assume X, right? So X and X always creates problem. So now my cost price 100 rupees. Then selling an item at a loss of 10%. You are going in a loss of 10%. That means you are selling at 90 rupees. Clear. And then they are telling you are selling at 5 by 6th of its marked price. That means marked price 5 by 6th is nothing but sir 90 rupees. That is what you wanted to tell. No, I know. So 5 18 times, that means the marked price was nothing but 108. Sir, marked price already you have explained. Sir, selling price already you have explained. And sir, cost price also we know. Now they're asking what is the percentage of profit or loss if a discount of 5% is offered on the marked price. Now we are going to give 5% discount on the marked price. 5% is what? Sir, 10% will be 10.8. So sir, 5% will be half of this sir, it is nothing but 5.4. That means now on 108 rupees you are going to give 5% discount. That means it will be how much sir? It will be 102.6. After giving 5% discount means now you are going to sell at sir 102.6. Your cost price is sir 100 rupees. Then sir they are asking profit or loss. So sir there is a profit of 2.6%. Option B is the correct answer. In a very simpler way you will be able to solve when you know how to play with the right data, how to play with this assuming 100. It will make your life very very simpler my dear friends. So all these problems I have taken from the TCS NQT exam, and these are definitely going to help you a lot, trust me. Okay, so series only till now only series has appreciated that yes sir, thank you for constant effort. All other are okay. So all other people okay. So none of them are appreciating. Please do like the video at least. Do like the sessions at least. I am following you from my first Accenture exam. Thank you, Siris. And there is no formula for marked price. There is no formula for marked price. For marked price, there is no formula, right? So marked price, I have told you that this is a tag price. Okay. So marked price, there is no formula. Now next question. So Namita offers a discount of 20% on all the items at her shop and still makes a profit of 12%. What is the cost price of an article marked at 280 rupees? See, first you try to understand. So there is a article is there, marked price is 280 rupees. Thanks, Devesh. So we are going to add more content by tomorrow. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will be adding more content in this thing, Accenture videos. So at least some 30, 40 videos we will be adding it. Okay, please try to solve. Okay, 200 rupees. What about other people? So Namita offers a discount on all the items. So there is one t-shirt is there, right? So suppose there is one t-shirt is there. Here pocket is there, right? Okay. Now the marked price is 280 rupees. Fine. Namita offers a discount of 20% all the items at her shops and still makes a profit of 12%. Okay. So discount of 20% will be what? So what is the discount of do one thing, what we can do, mm, on all the items at a shop and still makes a profit of 12%. What is the cost price? So this is nothing but your marked price, and now you are going to give 20% discount on it. So 20% is nothing but, sir, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 5 fives are and 5 six are. That means you are going to give 56 rupees discount, okay, on the mark price. So this was the tag price. Now you were not able to buy. Then what happened? Then the shopkeeper came and said, sir, don't worry, I will give you 20% discount. That means, sir, I will give you 56 rupees discount. Then now you pay me just 4, and 7 minus 5 is 2, and now you pay me just 224 rupees. Okay, fine. So now I will sell to you at 224. Now they are telling, so even after giving the discount, right? Even after giving the discount, the shopkeeper is able to get 12% profit. Now you can just think of options. So 200, 12% will be what? 12 into 2, 24. It will become 224. You can mark the answer as option C. Or if you are not interested in that, Supreme Court, if there is a profit, sir, 100 plus percentage of profit divided by 100, right? Selling price is 224, cost price, sir, have to calculate, profit is 12%, and if you'll solve, this is 2 times, sir, cost price will be 200. But I will always suggest you, at least look at the option ones when you are dealing with the questions, right? Till when you will be surviving with the formulas. There will be a time when you will have to leave the formulas, and then you will have to check with the options. For what options is given? See, if suppose in TCS of the options is not given, if it is theta type, right? If it is theta type, then you have to solve this. But when the option is given, see, these videos are not only for TCS, right? See, even though we are solving TCS problem, but we are also thinking of different exam. It's not like this particular video only TCS. If you watch for Accenture, it will not work. No, I am giving you the concept. I am telling you the concept because all other exams will be having options, right? Okay, now comes to one of the difficult topics, right? Okay, so now comes to one of the difficult topics, which is simple and compound interest. Okay, before we start with the session, अरे भाई लाइक नहीं किए हो तो कर दो. ओके, लाल बटन दबा दो लाइक पे. टमाटर फेंक के मारो. क्या वो कैरी मिनाटी बोलता है ना, टमाटर फेंक के मारो, पत्तल फेंक के मारो. Okay, fine. Now simple and compound interest. So basically these two, so simple interest formula is nothing but, sir, PRT by 100, right? PRT by 100. Compound interest, sir. Sir, compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N minus P. Very good, sir. Amount, sir, amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. See, in amount, we will just remove the principal. That's all. Then compound interest for yearly and quarterly, right? So compound interest, if you want to study properly, I have done one zero to hero concept, zero to hero concept for compound interest, so that I request you to watch it. Okay, zero to hero. And this is very important formula. Compound interest and simple interest difference for 2 years will be equal to PR square divided by 100 square, and simple and compound interest difference for 3 years is PR square into 300 plus R divided by 100 cube. Okay, clear. Now, so now next we will be seeing here, so this particular question, and let me see how many of you are able to solve it. So this is again a TCS problem. So this is timer, and your time starts now. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for thank you प्रेरणा रानी सर, एक ही लाइक होता है आपके लिए, ये तो बहुत कम है. So that one like is I mean too much for me. You guys are appreciating the effort which we are putting. It's not easy to speak for so long, right? So it takes a lot of, and I also work in a IT company, so it's not like I have left my job. So along with work, I do it for all for 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 you guys. So basically from morning I was working 12 to 2. I have taken a break. Again from 12 to 7, I'll have to work. Okay, so done. Exam you should give. Exam you should definitely give. Thank you, Surya. So exam you should not leave. At least you will come to know. So what are the pattern? Now a sum amounts to rupees 16,000 at the end of 3 years and rupees 25,000 at the end of 6 years. See, this I can directly write because see, once you attend the basic classes, you will be having a lot of idea, right? So you will be having a lot of idea, right? So here 1 plus r by 100 to the power 3. So once you attend the basic class, you will be having a lot of idea, and then right, so directly you can do it, right? Okay, but anyway, please try to understand how we can do it. So a sum amounts to, so you invested some money in 3 years, right? So in 3 years, it is becoming P into 1 by R to the power 3, it is becoming 16,000. Okay, now, and at the end of 6 years, right? So amount is equals to nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100, it is becoming 25,000. Now just divide it. So 1 plus R by 100 cube will be nothing but, this is nothing but 25 by 16. So this only I said, you could have directly written this. This was not required. Clear? Okay. For till here it is clear. Then just put in any of the equation. So here you put, so P into 1 plus R by 100 cube. 1 by 100 cube is 25 by 16 is equals to 16,000. So basically find the simple interest. Okay. Uh, so we are going to find out the some amount of this, and then okay. Can we find out the rate? So no need to finding the principal. Can we find out the so oh sorry. Okay, just a minute. No need to find the simple interest. Okay, simple interest you'll have to find it out. So I'm sorry, whatever I had written, it's just went off. So just a minute. I by mistake I removed it. So 25,000. Okay, rate is already given. Okay, so rate is already given. So what we will do, we will just anyway divide it. So it will become 1 plus r by 100 to the power 3 will be equal to 25 by 16. Okay, now put in this equation. So p into 25 by 16 is equals to 16,000. Fine. Now can you tell me, so what will be the principal from here? So 25 4 ja, so this will become 256 into 40. 256 into 40 will be 4 6 are 24, and 1 2. So 102 10240, right? So 10240. So 4 6 are 24 and 1 not 2. So this is nothing but my principal. Okay, now they're telling find the simple interest earned if the same is invested at 15% per annum. So principal, okay, into 15% and 2 years 2 divided by 100. Now options might be wrong, so please don't go for options. So there might be some issue with the options. Okay, so 3, it will be 3072. So 3072 will be the correct answer. Actually, see, this question is not long. Okay, see, I will tell you. You can directly write, so P into, right, here you can write 1 by, because when you divide, you know it will give you this value. So 25 by 16. Now you put in one of the equation. So P into this 25 by 16 will be equal to 16,000. So P will be equal to 10240, and then put that in the simple interest. So it will be this. So basically this part you have to avoid in the exam, and then you will be able to do it. Okay, clear? Done? Is it clear for everyone? Options are not correct. Leave it. So see, while typing the question, oh, basically all the questions I will be typing. So while typing the questions, there might be some mistake. Okay, clear for everyone? A simple question. The only thing is use this formula. So amount will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. Okay. सी ये देखो भारी बेइज्जती. सर आपका नाम रघु सेठी है. See, this is called भारी बेइज्जती. Okay, is it clear for everyone? For everyone, is this problem clear? 2 years I have multiplied with 2, no? For 2 years I have multiplied here by 2. Karthik. Yes, calculator you can use. Calculator you can use in TCS. On screen calculator will be there. Now, is this problem clear for everyone? Okay, done? Okay. Now next problem. Yes, Karthik, somebody is asking, sir, there is any shortcut to solve the problem? Yes. So there is a shortcut, but the thing is, now if I'll explain you, you will not be able to understand, right? Because that goes into here we use this ratio concept to solve it. But now if I will explain you, you will not be able to understand. So I don't want anyone to confuse you right now. Okay. So I don't want anyone to confuse you right now. Okay. So that's the reason I am going with the normal flow right now, because any new concepts definitely you will not be able to understand. Okay. So please excuse me. I cannot go with the shortcut techniques now. Okay. Now question number two. So question number two, let us start with the timer. So installment problem. So it's for installments problem, we will see how can we do it. Thank you, leave me alone. So sir, actually I watch your videos and I think I don't know your name. That's why I just read a community post. So that is from some college we have received, Telangana college. So basically the training and placement department, they have received an email from TCS. So that's what I have put it there. I'm not into any college. For coding, you will be having a class here. I will try in the evening, okay? So let me talk to the faculty. Guys, can you please like the video? So installment problem. Installment is a very important topic. See, now if I will teach you installment also, many of you will not be able to understand. So I did not wanted to take any new topics here. But anyway, okay, so now question number two. A loan of rupees 16,550 rupees has to paid in three equal installments at compound interest. Calculate the value of annual installments if rate of interest is 10% per annum. Now, this I have taught in the paid classes, TCS NQT crash course. I will teach it to you also. So it will be nothing but 10 by 100. 10 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 10. Okay. That means if 10 rupees you are taking principal, you have to return 11 rupees. Okay, fine. Now, if it is asking for 3 years, then 10 square, and here it is 11 square. 3 years means 10 cube, 11 cube. You have to go like this. If they ask for 2 years, then yes, Punisher, you can skip. Okay, and then you can go 2 years means you go only with the 2 power. Now, again write the same thing, 10 to 11. This will be 100 to 121, and this will be 1000 to 1331. Now, you know very well that, okay, you know very well that your installment will be always same. Okay, but here you see the installments are different. That means what I will do, I'll multiply by 11 here, I'll multiply by 11 here, I'll multiply by 11 here, sorry, 121 here, and I will multiply by 121 here, so that my installment always remains same. Now, this part if you'll add, sir, 12, 10, 1100 and 1000. So sir, this will become 3310. So this will become 3310. Okay, fine. So this is my principal, sir, and this total. So this will be my total, whatever we have to give, and this is nothing but my installment. Okay, fine. Now, in the question, what has been given? Sir, in the question, they have given this much of amount you have taken. Okay. So now, how much unit we have? Sir, it is equals to 3310 unit. What they're asking? They're asking annual installment multiply by the installment. Okay. Now, clear? 0, 0. So this is 5 times. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, and this will become 66. So 6655, option 3 will be the correct answer. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer for everyone. Is it clear? There is one video on cutoff, so please go to our home page of the channel, and from there you watch that video. Okay, clear? So I know there are few who cannot understand. See, that's the reason I'm not teaching you any new concept now. Okay, so the physical calculator don't take, man, they will throw you out. So they will give you a standard calculator. They will give you a standard calculator in the exam. Now once again I will try to explain. Okay. So once again I will try to explain. Okay. So the rate of interest is 10%. Okay. And the installments, it is 3 equal installments. So 2 equal installments means you have to see, you start 10 from, I mean 10%, right? So 10% is nothing but 10 by 100. It is nothing but 1 by 10. That means 10 rupees if you are taking money, you have to return 11 rupees, 1 rupees interest. Now they are telling for 3 equal installments. So 10 square, 11 square, 10 cube, 11 cube. Okay, fine. Okay. After this, what you have to do? So as you know, 11 cube is 1331, 10 cube is 1000. Now you know installment will be always same. If you buy, right? So if you buy any mobile phone on EMI, then what you'll have to do? So you will have to give the equal installment, right? Okay. So this installment, for making the installment same, what I have done, I have multiplied by 11 here, I have multiplied by 121 here. Now it is 12, 10, 1100, right? So total is nothing but 3310, and 1331 into 3 will be what? Total, you will be paying is 3993. Total you will be paying 3993. This will become your total amount. So what will be interest? Sir, interest will be 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. 683 rupees will be your interest. Okay. Now they're telling this much of money you have take. 16550. This is what? So this is nothing but your principal. And what is the unit of principal here? Sir, 3310. So this is equal to this. Okay. Into what you have to calculate? Sir, I have to calculate installments. So what is your per installment? Sir, 1331. Multiply by that. And then you will be getting 6655 rupees. Okay. 2 rough paper you will be getting. 2 rough paper you will be getting. Clear for everyone? 2 rough paper you will be getting. Now is this installment problem clear to everyone? If it is clear, can you please consider liking the video so that I get some more energy and I can continue till 2 p.m. I explained, See, you have to, if they're asking, see, that's what I said. If I take any new things, you will not be able to understand. Now, suppose if they have given installments here, okay, instead of principal, then write that installments. And what is the value of installments here? 1331. And if they're asking to calculate interest, then what is interest here? 683 rupees. Multiply by this. So you will have to change according to the ask in the question. Okay? Clear. Now comes very important topic, that is nothing but statistics, right? So now comes the topic statistics, and statistics you will be getting the question. So please attend it now very seriously. We will take 2 minutes of the break. Sir, so many breaks because sir is not able to speak. Okay, so just wait for 2 minutes. It's 1:35 till 1:37. Till then, what you do? You throw something on the like button and like the video. So you throw something on the like button and please like the session. Leave me alone. भाई installments cover कर दिया आज. So installments cover कर दिया आज. Okay. Thank you कार्तिक. फ्री में installments पढ़ लिए. सर व्हाट इज डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन? स्नेहा, डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन जो है ना ऐसा होता है, देखो कहाँ गया, ये है डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, बड़ा बड़ा पाई चार्ट रहेगा, टेबल्स रहेंगे, राइट. कार्तिक, आई विल टॉक टू द एक्सेंचर पीपल. ओके, डोंट वरी, आई विल टॉक टू द एक्सेंचर गाई. बार ग्राफ रहेंगे, पाई चार्ट रहेगा, चार टाइप्स के रहते हैं, भूल भी गया हूं मैं. ओके, नाउ सो now let us understand what is the mean. I will share this pdf. I will share this pdf with everyone. Okay, I will share this pdf with everyone. कट ऑफ हर एक सेक्शन में होगा, सेक्शनल कट ऑफ आता है, सेक्शनल कट ऑफ विल बी देयर. ओके, section switching is not allowed. Okay, now so now let us please focus on this concept, mean. So what is mean? Mean is very simple. If you know average, right? So if you know average, average is nothing but mean. Okay, now median. So median is the middle most value of the given ungrouped data if the data is arranged in the ascending order. So whenever you have to calculate median, make sure that you are first arranging them in the ascending order, otherwise you will be getting the wrong answer, right? Mode. Now mode is the value that appears most in the data. So you can say most frequent, right? So most frequent repeating, right? So most frequent repeated data is nothing but your repeated data is nothing but your mode. Clear? Okay. Okay, now so those Josna, thank you here. Okay, now mode formula. So if you have to calculate mode, mode will be nothing but L plus F1 minus F2 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Sir, what is this? Right? What the F is this, right? So that I will explain what the F is this. We will see. This is L, H, all those things we will explain. Then when we have to calculate standard deviation, right? So when we have to calculate standard deviation, okay? So that time, so there is, population based, where this will be standard one basically your. So standard one, also population variance, and then sample, right? Okay, so that also we will see. So what the F here? So it's frequency. Very good. So leave me alone. Very good. Now, so let us try to solve this particular question here. So let X be the median of the data 34, 28, 20, 32, 15, 9, 23, 26, 35, 16, 33 and 43. If 16 and 23 are replaced by 30 and 32 respectively in the data, then let y be the median of the resulting data. Then what is the value of 3x minus 2y? Okay, so you please solve. Till then, what I will do, I will arrange them in ascending order. So 9. See, this kind of questions are very this thing. I mean, difficult problem. I say because it's for me basically at this age, it is very difficult to visualize the things properly. So 9, 15, 16, and then the next data is 20, and then the next data is 23. I'm just arranging in ascending order because we have to calculate the median. 23, and then we have 26, then we have 28. So your time is up. Okay, no one has solved it. Very good. Okay, 26, 28, and then we have 33. Okay, then we have 34, then we have 35, 32 is missed, 32, then we have 33, then we have 35, and then we have 43, right? So these are the, is there any problem here, or is it fine? Okay, now how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 number this side, 5 number this side. So now my median will become, 26 plus 28 divided by 2. So it will be nothing but 8, 6, 8, 6 is 14, and 4 plus 1, 5. Is there any mistake here? Is there any mistake here? Have I missed any data? 81 minus 62. No, have I missed any data? This is fine. 27 you are getting, right? Now, so let me know if any data is missed. Okay, fine. Sir, please. Okay, fine. Next is what they're telling. So if 16 and 23 are replaced, so 16 are replaced and 23 are replaced, okay, by 30 and 32. So 23 you remove and you bring 30 and 32, right? So 16 and 23 is removed. Okay, fine. Now we have to calculate the median. So what will be the median now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 32, right? 32 plus 32 divided by 2. So it will be 32. So they're asking 3x. So x is this and y is this. So 3 into 27 minus 2 into 32. So this will be nothing but 81 minus 64. So it will be 7 and 1. Uh, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. So it will be 30 plus 32. It will be 61. 62 by 2, which is nothing but 31. So it will be 62 and it will be 19. So 19 will be the correct answer for this particular problem. Is it clear? Now tell me if you have any doubt, and if it is clear, then we can go ahead. See, visualizing the data see, this problem is very easy. See, do you think this problem is tough? What is there in that? See, median, that means take out the two middle value, divide by 2. Take out the two middle value, divide by 2. And then you put it here. But what is challenging here? So the challenge is here is nothing but the writing the data, visualizing the data, arranging the data. So this particular topic, no, I don't say this is very tough. I will just say your visualization will be very proper here, right? So you should be able to visualize the things quickly. So I think my mobile is hanged. So just a minute. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? So please comment, guys. I think my mobile was hanged, so I was not able to. Group statistics are challenging, sir. See, group statistics you leave, man, that you cannot solve in 2 minutes also, right? So that in 2 minutes you cannot solve. Now question number two. So what is the mode of the following data, right? So what is the mode of the following data? Is it clear? एग्जाम में इतना सॉल्व ना हो सर अरे सब होई सिंपल सिंपल क्वेश्चन देख के करे के बा ओके डन so what is the mode of the following data admit card not received please wait yes we need to get minimum marks in every section to qualify yes correct RR okay now what is the mode of the following data so we'll see so what is the formula for mode if we'll go back and see so it was L plus right L plus f1 minus f2 f1 minus f2 different places different formula you will get right and then 2 f1 and then 2 f1 minus f naught minus sorry this will be f naught minus f2 okay into h so this is the formula for your this thing now the first thing we will have to calculate is model class okay understand what is model class and then L is nothing but the lowest boundary of your model class lowest boundary of your model class okay model class now so what what is the highest frequency highest frequency is nothing but 30 that becomes your model class okay so highest frequency is nothing but this thing right okay now so the options are not correct so this is carried forward from the last problem so the options are not correct okay so forget about this option now this will become 40 okay fine then this f1 is nothing but so lower bound is this 40 then f1 is your maximum frequency right of this I mean this one so 30 minus what is f2 so f2 will be the post one and this will be nothing but the pre one and this will be f0 so f2 will be 26 okay and then divided by 2 f1 so 2 into 30 minus f0 it is 30 sorry f1 is nothing but 14 so just a minute it is 2 f1 right okay so f1 this is nothing but f1 okay so 2 f1 2 into 30 minus 14 and minus 26 into 10 so this will be 40 plus 4 into 10 and divided by 60 right so 60 minus 40 so 60 minus 40 okay just a minute just give me a minute so there is some data mistake is there 30 minus 14 okay sorry this will be just a minute okay 30 minus 14 okay so 30 minus 14 will be nothing but 40 plus okay it will be 16 into 10 and divided by 20 so it will be 40 plus 8 it will be 48 okay so 48 will be the answer and this will be L plus Fm minus F1 okay 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2 so basically this will be F1 correct okay and this will be F0 okay so it was F0 okay fine okay now it is fine so there was a small mistake in the formula so I'll just correct in the formula as well why my mobile is hanging man okay because of storage just give me a minute so let me okay okay I will explain please wait 1 minute okay now there is small correction in the formula so there is a small correction in the formula so this is nothing but f0 okay f0 okay f1 minus f0 so there is small correction in the formula now so model class so how do we find the model class so you see the highest frequency is what 30 clear okay now so the highest frequency one becomes our model class. Clear? Okay. Now, then and then what is there? So we need now L. L is the lowest boundary of the model class. So 40 and 50. So which one is the lesser value? 40. So we will put 40 here. Clear? Okay. Plus. Now, if you go this one, we will F1, F0. Okay. Now, fine. Then our F1 will become 30. Okay. And then F0 means the previous value. So 30 minus 14 divided by 2F1. So 2 into 30 minus F0 14 minus 26. So this will give you 48. Okay. Now let me know if it is clear for you all. And also, okay, so I'm unable to see your comments because the mobile is hanged. Let me open in other mobile and see. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes. So let me try in the other mobile. I'm not able to see your chats. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes so that I can open another mobile. Okay, till then you can try for this problem, and once my mobile is back, I can see your chats, and then we can discuss the previous one. Okay, so basically formulas are copy pasted, so there is some mistake in that. Even I will not remember the formula. I have a very, my memory is not good at all. Okay, so now my mobile is back. I could see your chats. Okay, so iPhone हैंग हुआ. हाँ भाई iPhone हैंग हो गया. Okay, okay, done. Okay, so the time is up. Now please let me know if you have any problem in the this iPhone 15 Pro. Now tell me if we have any, okay, problem in this particular question. So I have two iPhones, man. See, two iPhones I have. So that if one gets hanged, I can use other one. Okay. Anyway, now tell me if you have any doubt in this particular problem. If not, then we can move to the next problem. Okay. So the frequency, highest frequency is nothing but F1. Okay. So any doubt in this particular problem? No, right? No issues, right? Clear for everyone? Okay. Arey yaar, first see on this content, man. So if you have any doubt, how to calculate h? Okay, so h is nothing but this height. So this 10, basically the interval, right? So the interval h is nothing but this 10. So this 10 is nothing but h. So it's interval. Okay. So it's a it's a interval, right? So it's a interval of your class, right? So 10 20 there, right? 20 30 there, it will be always constant. Okay, so it will be either 10 or 5 or 20. Clear for this? Okay, now now let us go with this one. So find the standard deviation of 2, 5, 7, 10, 13, and 17. So we'll check the formula, man. So otherwise, if the formula is wrong, so then standard deviation is equals to a square root of x minus x bar square divided by n. Okay, fine. So this is our formula. Now x is what? So 2, 5, 7, 10, 13, and 17 is our x. Okay, now x bar. X bar is nothing but mean. So 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 17, right? Okay, divided by 3 and 3 6. So here it will be what? 7 7, this will be nothing but 30, 40, right? And 54. So this will be 9. So x bar is nothing but 9. Now we will calculate x minus x bar square. So 9 minus 2 square, 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2, that is 7 square is 49, right? Okay. Then 5 minus 9, 4 square is 16. 7 minus 9, 2 square is 4. Then 9 minus 10, 1 square is 1. Then 9 minus 13, 4 square is 16. And then so it's only 6 data, right? And then 9 minus 17, that is x square is 64, right? Okay. Now add everything: 15, 19, 20, 30, 3, 7, 8, 9, 15, 150. So basically x minus, right? So x minus x square is 150 and total number of data in 6. So this is 25. 25 is nothing but 5. So our data will become option A. That means 25 is the standard deviation. Clear for everyone? Done? Clear for everyone? Leave me alone. उसको भी अकेला छोड़ दो यार. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay? Done for everyone? Okay. Now next is time and work. So time and work, guys, can you please like the video? See, 500 was my target, but if not 500, at least make it 400. Come on. So time and work formula, M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 H2 by W2. See, MDH, right? Who use MDH? MDH is a masala, right? So MDH, who uses? Your wife uses, right? If you have wife, or woman uses, right? Mostly. So MDH by W. So the formula is M1 D1 by W1 MDH, and here MDH who uses wife. So M2 D2 H2 by W2. Second formula is days into efficiency, right? So days into efficiency will be equal to work. Okay. Sir, how do we remember that? Mountain Dew. Days into efficiency is equals to work. Mountain Dew डर के आगे जीत है. Mountain Dew डर के आगे डर के आगे डर के आगे जीत है, right? Okay, and then wages will be always distributed in efficiency ratio. This much is only required in time and work. Now, so this is a very good question. So let us see how many of you are able to solve. 20 men can do a job in 10 days, working 8 hours a day. If women are 33.33 percentage more efficient than men, how many women it will take to finish the same job in 10 days, working 6 hours a day? Okay, fine. 15. Very good. So Ansi has solved, Mihir has solved. Okay. So 20 men can do a job in 10 days. So formula, write the formula: M1 D1 H1 by W1 will be equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Okay. So before that, some efficiency is given. Okay. Now, so if women are 33.33% is more efficient than men. So what is the meaning of 33.33 percentage? Sir, you said 1 by 3. Okay, now. So women are 33.33% is more. That means women efficiency is not equal to men. Then what is it? Sir, it is 1 by 3 more, right? Okay. Then women will be nothing but 4 by 3 efficiency of men. If main efficiency we will consider 3, then 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Women efficiency will become 4. The meaning of efficiency, I have told you, 1 day work, 1 hour work, right? Okay. Now M1, how many men are there? 20. And one man can work, one man can complete 3 work in a day. Days, they are taking 10 days. Hours, they are working 8 hours and they are doing 1 work. Now, how many women will be required? We don't know. We have to calculate. One woman can complete 4 work in a day. Days. So 10 days they are taking. Hours 6. This is what you have to solve. So 6, 10, 6 ja, 23 ja, 60, 60 cancel. 4 2 ja. So the woman which is required is 20, right? Then 20, and here the option D will be the correct answer. बट अंशी आंसर तो गलत आ गया यार. सिर्फ इफिशियंसी के बेस पे नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. वी कांट सॉल्व इट ओनली ऑन द बेस ऑफ इफिशियंसी, राइट? सो वी आल्सो हैव टू कंसिडर the efficiency and the given data, right? Because we have not considered the days, right? So how many days they are working, so that also we have not considered, right? So 15 is the wrong answer here. Now if anybody has any question, please let me know. Otherwise we can move towards the next problem. Another 10 minutes, so 2:10 we are going to close. So 2:10 we will be closing the session. Okay, now is it clear for everyone, friends? Please hit the. So everyone got 15. Very good. LCM method cannot be used here. So LCM method cannot be used here, right? It will become very lengthy. It will become very lengthy. Unnecessary, it will become very lengthy. Basically, what you'll have to do, 20 into 10 into 8 into. See, if you want to use LCM method also, you will have to find out lot of data here. What is W1? W1 is wife. Wife will use MDH masala. So wife is work here. Wife is work here. Okay, fine. Now the next question. Okay, working hour is if the working hour is same, Rani, I need to plan it. Right now it's not scheduled. Please keep checking the live sections of our YouTube channel, right? So it's online study for you. So please check this live buttons here, okay? So you will be able to see the classes which will be scheduled. I will plan to schedule one session at least today, okay? Of coding or verbal ability, we will see. W1 and W2 is work. W1 and W2 is work, okay? Now, so your 1 minute is over, basically. Okay, so we'll try to schedule one session today at least for verbal ability or coding. Let's see, I will talk to the faculties. If they're available, I will do it. Okay, now. So X is, no one has given the answer. Rani is telling 80. Yes, Pandey is telling 80. Okay. So X is 4 times as efficient as Y. That means if I consider this is efficiency, if I consider Y efficiency as 1, then X will become 4. Sir, can I consider 2? Can I consider 3? Anything you can consider, there is no problem at all. Okay. Now, so here I will write efficiency, here I will write days. Okay. So we know days into efficiency is nothing but work. And here I will put work. Now, so days efficiency of, here I will put x, y, and here I will put x plus y. So y efficiency is 1 when I assumed, then x became 4, and x plus y will become 5. And then they said, right? So that together they can complete the work in 16 days. So what will be total work, sir? Sir, total work will be nothing but days into efficiency. So 16 into 5, 80 is the total work. Okay, clear. Now, in how many days Y working alone will be able to do half of the work. Now Y can complete only one work in a day. So for completing 80 work, Y will be taking 80 days, and many of you will mark this and come back and you will say, sir, I have solved questions. But they are telling do half of the work, so half of the work will be 40, and in completing 40 work they will be taking 40 days. Option C will become the correct answer. Okay, clear? Okay, fine. Now next question. So it's a data interpretation question. So let us start the timer here. So the number of employee working in 6 different departments of 2 companies A and B are given below. Study the data and answer the question that follows. So if 30 employee, right? So if 30 employee of the planning department quit company B, so planning department is this, okay? So if 30 employee quit, okay, and joins the planning department of company A, that means here. So now in planning department we have 76 total member, and in planning department, and total if you will talk, then 1202 plus 30 has joined, so it will become 1252. Okay, clear, fine. Then what is the percentage of employee in the planning department in the, so what is the percentage of employees in the planning department in the total employees in the company A? Total employees in the company A, it is 1252. In planning department now we have 76, and then multiply by 100. Okay, so can you use calculator and tell me, so what will be the answer? 76 divided by 1252, it's nothing but 6.07 percentage, right? So it will be 6.07 percentage, so that will become your answer. Clear? Any doubt for anyone? Okay, now so we are left with time, speed and distance, and then mensuration. So that and probability, permutation and combination. We will try to have one more session, okay? But for time being, I'm just quitting with this formulas. So time, speed, and distance. Distance will be equal to speed into time. Okay. If difference is fixed, 1232. Okay, sorry. So if I will add 30 to it, it will become 1232. So 1232. So 1232. How much it will come? 76 divided by 1232. Okay, so it's 6.16 percentage, right? 6.16 percentage. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Now, so time, speed, and distance. So distance will be equal to speed into time. Okay, distance will be equal to speed into time. If distance is fixed, speed will be inversely proportional to time. If any data is given in kilometer per hour, and if you have to convert it to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. If any data has been given in meter per second, and if you want to convert into kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. The distance traveled by a train to cross a pole or a person is equals to the length of the train. If crosses a platform, length is added. Train running in opposite direction, speed and length is added. Train running in opposite direction, speed is subtracted and length is added. Now, you take the screenshot of this question, take the screenshot, okay, and solve the question and let me know the answer, okay. So question number 1, take the screenshot, and then question number 2, take the screen same, okay, and question number 2, take the screenshots and let me know the answer in the comment section. One more question is there, so that question is mensuration question. So this also take the screenshot, solve it, and let me know in the comment section. So basically one mensuration question, one mensuration question, okay, and then two time and distance problem you have to solve, and then you have to let me know in the comment section, okay, the answers. Now please let me know how was the session. Did you enjoy? Did you learn? So the revision happened or not of so many topics? So please let me know in the comment section, and then we are definitely going to quit it from here, okay. So how was the session, guys? Please do like before you leave. So please do like the session before you go. Akash is telling it's brilliant. Omkar is telling informative. What about other guys? So did you find the session was useful? Because it's 2 hours and 10. Sir, you got 420 likes. Thanks, Prithvi. So it's all shows that you guys love and support, and that what gives us energy. Okay. Sir, achieved the target. Thank you. Can we change any question in the same section? Yes, section questions you can change, Babita. Babita, questions you can change. Thanks for hall ticket. Very careful. Helpful. Can I change? Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Jai Hind. All the very best. You will definitely crack. You know, that's for, I mean, I cannot guarantee, but I have trust in you. So definitely you will be able to do it. Okay. I have trust on you guys. Thank you. Go have your lunch and we will meet soon in the next session.